What's up guys, welcome to your JavaScript series brought to you by Code to Create CTC. In case you just jumped the first episode and bumped into this one, I still remain Tony Cletus, your instructor. Alright, so in this episode 12, we are going to be looking at calling functions from another function. And what do we mean by calling functions from another function? Is it even possible to do that? Alright, that you will know at the end of this tutorial. No, not even at the end of this tutorial, in the middle of this tutorial before we're done. Alright, so I don't need to say much things. I'll just demonstrate and understand what I'm talking about. So calling function from another function is something like, let's say we have two functions and you want to call them inside another function. That is very possible in JavaScript. Enough of the stories, so let's go into coding. Alright, supposing you have a function question with it parentheses and a curly braces, and then we want to just output a question on the screen. So supposing you have a question, document your right, what is your favorite food on the screen, and you have another function and the function is going to hold the answer, and I'll just output my answer on the screen. So my answer, and what's my best food? Okay, for me it's yam and egg sauce. I don't know about you anyway. Yummy yam and egg sauce. Alright, so yam and egg sauce. Okay, yam and egg sauce. Alright, I don't even need that space anyway because I already have a line break here. Alright, so now we have these two functions, and what we are trying to look in this case is how to call these two functions from another function, and that is very possible. So in order to do that, what we need to do is to declare another function, and I'm going to call this function display, and inside this function I will now call these two functions. So since I'm very lazy, I'll just copy this function name question according to how I want them to be displayed on the screen. I'll call this function name question inside the function display. I believe you understand what I'm talking about here. Alright, so we have these two functions, you understand? And remember, a semicolon is very important. So I don't need to call these two functions below this again. All I need to do now is to call this function display, you understand? And once I save this now, guess what's going to happen within 10 seconds? Guess. Alright, so if we open our Chrome now and refresh, what do we have? What is your favorite food? Yam and egg sauce. You see, so this is how to call functions from another function. Like, it's very possible in JavaScript. You understand? You might be needing this when you are going to become a pro, which you're already advancing to. So but this is how to call functions from another function. You can call a single function, you can call multiple functions depending on how you want them to be displayed on the screen. Like, I want this first one to be displayed on the screen first. That's why I wrote the function here, the question, and followed by the answer, and that's why I see the answer here. So this is just a very quick tutorial. Remember, semicolon is very important. Don't follow my bad habit. Our next tutorial, we are going to be looking at JavaScript hoisting. And what is hoisting? Hoisting, let me just give you an introduction since I still have time. Hoisting, according to the English dictionary, is just like to rise, to lift, or to elevate something, you understand? And what are we going to elevate in JavaScript? What are we going to lift in JavaScript? That you will know in the next episode. So please stay tuned, and if you really learned something from this video, make sure you click on that like button below and please subscribe. Thank you.